Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the final episode of Chainsaw Man, at least for now. I'm not ready for this. Last episode left off with Aki fighting the girl that's got the snake devil contract. I don't know what her name is. It's been mentioned once, but I hate her. I can't remember it. I choose not to take that information in. And somehow this chick has a contract with the same devil that Himeno had. The ghost contract, I think, is what's happened, and she's currently fighting Aki with it. So that's been an emotional roller coaster because obviously Himeno was Aki's partner and he's already distraught enough about her death, and now he's having to fight the devil that she was contracted with. And this whole episode's called Katana versus Chainsaw, which makes me think a lot of it is going to be about Aki and this final fight. It's kind of like the final showdown at the moment. That's what we're in the middle of. And I'm hoping we'll get a bit more of Makima in this one. I feel like she hasn't had enough screen time. We need to know more about Makima. And Aki. I think we're going to get a lot of Aki in this episode, which I really didn't mind, like, at all. I can't believe it's the last one. I'm feeling really emotional right now, so I think we should just get straight into it. Hate it, man. It's like something from The Grudge. Hate it. She can't kill him. At least not now. Is he seriously passed out? Oh my god. No. Not Himeno. Oh, is this when she first got him into it? How long was it? How long did they know each other? She was trying so hard to make him survive. She's now died. It's so sad. Also, that wasn't the first time he had a cigarette. Oh, but he did eventually get into smoking. Wait, what was the age difference between them then? I thought they were the same age. Oh, did he somehow get it? Did it let him go? Hi. What is happening? Oh, it's sad. She loved him so much. Oh, okay. I thought it had somehow died. Oh, you're kidding me. Are you just trying to destroy him? Is this all to do with him? I know. How does the devil easy revenge? Nope. Nope. I can't. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry again. Oh, right. So if he just doesn't be scared? This is some dark shit, man. This devil is friggin' terrifying. No, no you won't. No, you friggin' won't. Why is its blood blue? I appreciate it. Because I can pretend it's ink. Yes. That was easy revenge. I'm curious to know now why it's called Katana versus Chainsaw, because that makes it sound like we're going to be fighting Denji. Like, Aki's going to be fighting Denji. Better friggin' not be. They're the last two people who need to be arguing right now. I love her eyes, though. Oh, wait. Oh, kill her. I love her eyes because she's got like the contact lenses. Not contact lenses, but her eyes look like snakes. Like snake eyes. How the hell did Kobeni get there? Okay. Bless her. She could have just took her right there and then, man. Please, I want this bitch to die. Ugh. I thought the angel one was the only one that did that.
肉は肉じゃろ。豚も牛も人も同じじゃ。
全然違うね。
Look at these two.
俺たちの仕事
Why
は
are they
侍
always
を
like
捕
this?
まえることだ。捕まえても食うんじゃねえぞ。
Who cares if she does? Be an interesting way to die.
わしの名はパ
Is she serious?
は
ー。こいつらなら勝てる。勝負じゃ。
Atlee.
ベンジ、わしに
Ah.
ついて後ろは
Are you serious? He's such a dick.
わしは逃げたな。
Oh my god. I mean, she's got this. Yep. All of these things. All of these things.
強敵じゃ。ベンジ、
Oh no!
見てる。
Denji, I think she's gonna need you as
パワ
backup.
ーが一番最強じゃ。
You can hear her upstairs. She hasn't even noticed he's gone yet. I think she'd kill him for that. Oh, floor 12. Oh, I thought it was going to end at floor 12 because this is episode 12. That would have been good. That would have been good. Pull it.
出たな、もみあげマン。
No, we're not interested in that. Denji, just pull it. Denji, I get you've got like a low IQ, but please just pull the chainsaw.
デンジ、お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。その償いをしてほしい。
てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビ
Oh, is that from the first episode?
嘘つくんじゃねえ。学歴のねえバカすぐ嘘つきやがる。心臓が刀の悪魔になっちまってるみてえだが、そんな俺でもな、うっかりゾンビを殺しちまった夜には。
Ah, why did I think it was Aki that had a katana? He's the katana. Okay. Shit. I thought Aki had a katana.
やだ。
You gonna do it? Do it?
なるほど。
Where's power?
じゃあ、
It's literally in his friggin' hand. Oh, I hate this dude. Oh yeah, because he has the katana blade sticking out his
俺
head.
を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ。
I didn't think of them as katana blades. Jesus, that was far. Then she feeling okay? Oh, that makes me feel sick. Like how he's always covered in blood because the chainsaws come out of his own arms. Like,
口うるせえのとわがままなのがいるけどな。そこそこ気に入ってるぜ。だからさっさと手直して。
you wanted to do more than just that, dude. Admit it. How? I don't get how people do these. Like, you know, standing on the train thing. Like, how are you not falling off right now? Especially that, like when he's bouncing around everywhere. Like, no way you'd still land on top of the train. That's right. Oh, let's get innocent people involved. Move before he chainsaws you. I'm surprised he hasn't done it to somebody on accident. How'd you go back home and live a normal life after that? Has he done it again? Yep. Both? How the fuck?
終わりだ。もう戦えないだろ。
How are we gonna
なんで
get through this? I wanna know what he's got up his sleeve.
まだ戦える。
All he's got left is his head.
じいちゃんに教わらなかったか。引き時ってやつをよ。じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。そうしたら楽
Are
に
they serious right now? Why is he so strong?
アンガー。ジジイに教わらなかったか。獣が狩人の
Oh
信じ
my god. You're kidding me. He's done it? Are you... What? Oh, he took the words. He took the words that his teacher gave him. Friggin' badass. God, no wonder the blade broke. Trying to split him in half. please, like, give him the worst friggin' death possible. Is he naked too?
やっぱあんた俺
Denj?
と同じなんだ
What are you doing?
てめえの手の刀抜いたらさ真っ二つの体もくっついた
Ugh.
てめえは姫の先輩を殺した面のいい美人てめえの
It's
せ
a
いで
cute way
世
of
界
justifying it, to be honest.
なのにてめえは反省もせず一生刑務所暮らし今から大会を
What contest?
大会あ
Oh, I thought Aki was gonna have his shirt off then as well.
こちら4課早川時計館前線路内にて拘束済みの目標を発見
Requesting death. Get this
参
guy.
加するかこいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃っただからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ
Yes. Please.
だから大会を開くお互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって警察が来るまでに一番でけえ
Do you know what? I think that sounds pretty fair, to be fair. To be fair? Yeah, to be fair, to be fair. I'd go for that. Aki, you should want to do this, right? For Himeno. How did that even get there? How did it even happen? Oh no, thank you. I mean, they do sell for quite a bit. Yeah. Please. It's over? What about Snake Girl? Was she just captured? Hard day's work for power. I love this angel person. Can we see them more in the next season? Oh, they just... Yeah. They're just kicking him rather than shooting him. I thought he meant shoot him with a gun. Yeah. That soundtrack specifically for you.
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。
No, why are credits rolling?
悪魔と契約し
You can't have credits roll. Shut up. Shut
その
up.
対価として沢渡は
なぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を欲しがる
Because of his
それ
granddad?
が聞き出す前に
自殺
銃の悪魔との契約で自動的
Oh?
に自殺したのかもしれません。
Oh, she was in contract with
今
the
回の
the
事件は
gun
ビ
devil?
ル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を
Oh my
1.4
god. That much?
我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に
Oh, here we go. Except we're not gonna get to see it. Oh no. Literally, my heart is just dropped because I'm in pain. That's it? I feel like that one was so short. It is. It was only 19 minutes long. Excuse me, I feel very robbed right now. What a fantastic series. I honestly cannot wait until the next season because this is guaranteed to get a season 2. It's gorgeous. It's brilliant. The animation, honestly, I've never seen animation like it. It's so beautiful. I'm sad that we didn't get more Makima backstory. We don't know much more about Makima. I need to know, man. We've got Arkies, we've got Denjis, we've got Powers. I feel like we just need Makimas now, a bit, you know? Hopefully next season will be like soonish. I don't know, maybe 2024, which feels really far away. I don't know if a season has been confirmed. I've never googled it actually. But I'm pleased to say we're done. I hate to say we're done, and I'm happy to say we're done because this is now the second series I've finished on the channel. If you count Spy Family, I finished the first half before the second half aired, and obviously the first season of Kaguya. So we're doing well for someone who never finishes things. At the same time, I want to cry because I need more of these people, especially this ending, right? Which shows like Aki, Power and Denji living together as like a cute little family. What are you trying to do to me right now? Are you trying to destroy my heart? Yamatube, that's what Himeno was drinking. And we haven't seen Meowie since the Meowie episode. Like episode 4, I think, was probably the last time we saw Meowie after in the bathroom. And that was it. I want to see more of them and their cute little home life and them interacting with each other in the next season. Okay, that was a really emotional finale. I'm glad that this is such a nice, cute ending after the last 5 episodes of hell. But I hope you all have enjoyed this series. I know I have. I absolutely can't wait for another season. I need more Aki. I need more Makima. I need more power. I need more Kobeni and Denji. I literally still can't stop thinking about Himeno though. Absolutely just sucks, okay? But I hope you all enjoyed the episode. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like or consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next show we decide to watch, I guess. This sucks. I hate that this is over. But I hope you have a fantastic week. Look after yourselves. Stay hydrated. Take your meds and all that cool jazz. And I'll see you soon. I'm literally torn apart right now. Bye, y'all.